Hello, dear learners. Myself Sachin Pandit. From today, I'm going to start MCQ series of compulsory English subject for you people. In this video, I'm going to discuss with you MCQs of few lessons and few poetry. The lessons are The Eyes Are Not Here by Ruskin Bond, The Romance of a Busy Broker by O. Henry, Boas by E.V. Lucas, The Lost Child by Mulak Raj Anand, and the poems are The World is Too Much with Us by William Wordsworth, Once Upon a Time by Gabriel O'Cara, and If by Rudyard Kipling. So, we'll see the MCQs of this lesson and poetry. So, let's get started. I hope you are familiar with these lessons. If not, then after this video, you will definitely be familiar with these lessons and the MCQs. So, time by time, I will be give you lots of MCQs regarding this compulsory English subject. So, in this your screen, the first question is the hills in Missouri are covered with options are A. Roses, B. Marigold, C. Wild dahlias, D. Tulips. Yeah, tulips. Okay. So the correct answer is the hills in Missouri are covered with wild dahlias. This question from lesson The Eyes Are Not Here. The second question is the blind girl in the story Eyes Are Not Here was traveling by. Okay, there is a fill in the blanks. The options are here is the option first A bus, B by ship, C by aeroplane, D by train. The correct answer is D by train. He is traveling by train. Question number 3. The story Eyes Are Not Here is written by A by A.V. Lucas, by Ruskin Bond, C by Mulak Raj Anand, or D by O. Henry. So, any guesses? The correct answer is by Ruskin Bond. Okay, so move forward. The girl was going to. Okay, in that story, the girl was traveling by train. Where? Going to. Your option is A. Saharanpur, B. Masuri, C. Rohana, D. Dehra. He is going to. Correct answer is A. Saharanpur. Okay. So next question is Ruskin Bond is the writer of. Okay, this is a little bit tricky questions. Ruskin Bond is a writer of The Romance of a Busy Broker, Boers, The Lost Child, or The Eyes Are Not Here. Answer is The Eyes Are Not Here. Next question is the couple was very anxious about the blind girls. Fill in the blanks. There is fill in the blanks. So option A, girl's journey, her health, sleep, or comfort. The correct answer is her comfort. Okay, the couple was very anxious about the blind girl's comfort. So the next question is fill in the blanks. Gave the girl detailed instruction. It means who gave the girl detailed instruction. Option is the man, the woman, both of them, or none of them. So the correct answer is B, the woman. She gave the detailed instruction. Next question is where did a young girl get in the train compartment? Where did a young girl get in the train compartment? Okay. So your option is A. Rohana, B. Dehra, C. Masuri, D. Saharanpur. So Don't be confused here. Read these options. The correct answer is Rohana. Okay. Next question is the girl called the narrator. Okay. There is a fill in the blanks. A young man. The option is teamed, sraved, coward, or gallant. Okay. These are the four A, B, C, D options, and the correct answer is gallant. The girl called the narrator a gallant young man. Okay, the next question is the romance of a busy broker is written by Ruskin Bond, O. Henry, G. B. Shaw, or Stephen Leacock. These are the four options, and the correct answer is O. Henry. Okay, the next question is Maxwell was fill in the blanks man. A short tempered, B a crazy, C an absent minded, D an arrogant. So he is a absent minded man. Okay, Miss Leslie works as fill in the blanks in Maxwell's office. A secretary, secretary A secretary, B boss, C clerk, D peon. So what was her job? She is a secretary. So A option is correct. Next question. Maxwell is a busy. Okay. What is her profession? Sorry, her not. His Maxwell's profession is Maxwell is a busy, A doctor, B professor, C broker, D financer. So he is a broker, busy broker. Okay, remember the title, The Romance of a Busy Broker. Next question is O. Henry is a pseudonym of. Your options is A. Ruskin Bond, B. Edward Barrel Lucas, C. A. G. Gardiner, D. William Sidney Potter. So correct answer is what? William Sidney Potter. Okay, your D option is correct. William Sidney Potter. So the next question is O. Henry is the writer of Boers, the lost child, the eyes are not here, the romance of a busy broker. So your correct answer is D. Romance of a busy broker. So let's move forward. The next question is fill in the blanks is beyond questions the Boers foundation stone. A shyness, wiseness, egotism, criticism. So these are your options. The correct answer is egotism is beyond question the Boers foundation. Okay, so next question is the Boers are happy largely because they have so much to. There is a fill in the blanks. Your option is A. Tell, B. Listen, C. Write, D. Forget. The correct answer is tell. Okay, Boers are happy largely because they have so much to tell. Next question is everybody is Boer because everybody now and again has fill in the blanks idea to impart. Your option is A. Few, B. Many, C. No, or D. Fixed. So the correct answer is D. Fixed idea. Everybody is Boer because everybody now and again has a fixed idea to impart. So the next question. True Boer is always unconscious of his A. Laziness, B. Boorishness, C. Wiseness, D. Foolishness. So boorishness is correct answer. True Boer is always unconscious of his boorishness. Next, astute men are seldom Boers. So the answer is crafty. There is a rich, poor, and greedy. These are the options, and the correct answer is crafty men are seldom Boers. The next question is Boers is written by. This lesson is written by Ruskin Bond, by Mulak Rajanand, by E.V. Lucas, or by O. Henry. So the correct answer is E.V. Lucas. So, dear friends, in this video, we see this much questions. We'll meet in next parts. Thank you.